In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust an employee annual, sick, and other leave balances in Xero. This walkthrough is perfect for situations like onboarding a new team member with carryover leave, correcting historical balances, or aligning entitlements with your company policy. You'll need payroll access in Xero, and it's a good idea to confirm the correct entitlements before you begin. Start by opening the payroll area. This takes you into Xero's payroll workspace, where all employee pay and leave settings are managed. From here, head into Employees to see your list of staff. Select the person whose leave needs updating so you can view their details. Once you're in the employee record, switch to the Leave tab. This is where you'll see their current balances and the settings that drive how leave accrues over time. Under Leave Balances, choose the leave type you want to work with. I'll use annual leave as the example, but the same approach applies to sick leave and any other leave categories you've set up. Next, update the hours accrued annually. This controls how many hours the employee earns across a full year and directly affects how their balance grows each pay period. Make sure this matches the employee's agreement and local employment rules. For example, full-time entitlements are often defined in weeks, but in Xero, you'll enter the equivalent hours so the system can calculate accruals accurately based on the work schedule. If you're aligning balances to a known starting point, adjust the opening balance. This field represents the leave the employee already had at the start of tracking in Xero. Use it to bring in carryovers or to correct an existing total. Keep in mind that this is a one-time starting figure, while the annual accrual setting controls what they continue to earn going forward. Double check the units you're entering and only adjust what's necessary so you don't accidentally duplicate entitlements. When you're happy with the figures, click Save. Xero will apply the changes and you'll see the updated totals reflected on the employee's leave page. These adjustments will flow through to future calculations, helping ensure leave is accurate on payslips and in reports. If you also need to update sick or other leave types, repeat the same process. Choose the leave category, confirm the hours accrued annually, adjust the opening balance if required, and save. Finally, make sure your changes align with your organization's policy and any legal requirements, and keep supporting documentation in your records so you have a clear audit trail.